Hello, it's Friday the 24th of April. I'm back in the workshop and I'm going back to this for a little while. I think my next stage is I'll get some wax on it using a scouring pad and see what happens next. At least the wax is nice and soft. Well, that's it, that's as much as I can do now, because this wax has now got to harden off properly, and it's quite warm today, so hopefully it'll harden off quite quickly, and then I'll be buffing it off later. Meanwhile, back to the chair. So back to this. The next job is I need to plug all of these holes here. So I've got some centre cane, which is slightly smaller than the hole. And what I will do is put it in just before it gets a bit of resistance, trim it off, and then hammer it home like that. So I'll work my way all the way around the seat doing that. So, nearly there. So that's that finished now, pegged off, trimmed off those corner ones there where it was blind. I've had to glue the pegs in there. So that's that. Just leave that to rest and that little bit of glue to dry. Come back to that tomorrow. So it's 5 o'clock, last job of the day. Buff the wax off this, it's gone off now. So I'll see what we can do with this. Oh yes, that's going to come up well, isn't it? So the final bit now, I've found this piece of braid and these old bright brass dome-headed nails. I've put them in roughly as they were before. So hopefully now that will hold. Oh yes, I spotted one last thing that I think I might deal with, and that's this here. There's some quite deep score marks around here, so I'm going to minimise them a little bit. I'll show you how. Right, these are Retouch crayons, so this one's pretty close in colour, and all I'm going to do is work it here and there into these damaged areas, and then take off the excess with a worn out scouring pad. So little by little you just make them disappear a little bit, that's all. So there it is, finished. Nice bit of a sheen to it. And voila. So the last little job, put this little escutcheon in place. And there we go.